before we start the video, guys, if you want to see more delicious recipes, sandwiches, pizzas, burgers, sauces, pastas, go ahead and follow me wherever you want. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, whatever, go do it. You won't be disappointed. Hey fam, today we're going to be making my take on a chopped cheese. If you're not from New York, a chopped cheese is basically a cheeseburger sub sandwich, cheeseburger hoagie. So we're starting by making a seasoning mix for our beef. We're going to get some melted butter. Then we're going to add our seasonings to that melted butter to incorporate it with the beef. We got our fish sauce. It's going to be savory and salty. A lot of umami in there. Don't worry, it doesn't taste like fish, literally. Got my Worcestershire sauce. You know what it is. Gotta hit it with that liquid smoke. And that crystal hot sauce. I go a little bit harder than your local bodega probably does. Garlic powder. Get that all mixed up nice and good. I mean, this is already savory heaven right here. You can just drink that. You might die from a sodium overdose, but spread it out over all the beef. It's gonna be good. We're just gonna gently mix this up. Might as well get our hands dirty. Crumble that beef a little bit. Try not to overwork it. Don't mash it, just gently pull it apart with your thumb and your fingers so the sauce gets all over that. And then you just let it chill for a little bit, half an hour if you got it in the fridge. This is the same way I start out if I'm making like smash burgers too. Same seasonings, make a meat mixture with it, let it chill, then I make patties and smash them on the grill. There we go, looking pretty incorporated here. I just want to be extra certain. I don't want to have any bite be lacking in flavor. Good to go. Throw that in the fridge. If I can find some room next to all my lemon muffins here. I like my chopped cheese with some onion, so I'm going to go ahead and just chop that up. Get us some nice little pieces here. Onion is one of my favorite flavors, and I think it goes so well with, savory, beefy, rich, dark meat flavors. Likewise for the acidity of tomatoes, perfect balance for all that rich, savory meat we're about to be cooking. So I'm just gonna dice this one up so, you get a little bit of tomato mixed in every bite, and you don't accidentally bite into a big, round slice and just rip it right off the sandwich. Get them nice and real, chopped up fine. Got some butterhead lettuce. Give that a little bit of a chop too. Same reasoning. I don't want to be pulling off a big ass slab of lettuce when I'm just trying to get a nice bite of my sandwich with a little bit of every ingredient in there. I want that blend. Poppy need mixed. And we're going to be using American cheese. Classic hamburger cheese. Plus, I got my wife's special fry sauce. I'll have to make a separate video on how to make this, but it's got mayo, it's got pickle juice. It's delicious. And then we got our pepper rings, a little bit of heat. That's just how I like it. Our classic kind of New York Philly roll here. Hoagie, I guess you might call it if you're from Jersey. I love that bread so much. I'm gonna hit it with some mayo, spread that out all over it, and it's gonna help us achieve some browning. Ain't gotta be shy about that cream. Get it on there. Delicious. That's some good mayo. Throw this over here on the flat top. We ain't skipping on anything. This bread is gonna be delicious. Let's see how she's looking now. Oh, there we go. That's what I want to see. That's just extra flavor for the sandwich. A nice little bit of crisp. Our meat's been sitting in the fridge for like 20 minutes, half an hour, so let's get that cooking in the cast iron. Scoop all that congealed flavor off the bowl there. Ain't leaving none of that behind. You gotta be thorough. Keep it broken up. Nice crumbly texture. Just a few minutes, all nice and cooked, nice and juicy. Alright, we got our meat ready. Time to assemble the sandwich. Start with the base of our lettuce. Looking good, looking good. Let's get that meat on top of that. It's gonna be a big sandwich. But that's how we like it. Ain't no skimping. That juicy tomato. That fresh onion. My wife's special tangy fry sauce. Ooh, there's paprika in that too. I'll give that away. Ooh, so good. Gotta hit it with our pepper rings. It's almost a shame to cover this up with cheese because it looks so beautiful right now, but the cheese is really going to bring it together. Just space that out a little bit. Don't worry, we're going to throw this in the oven in a second so it'll get nice and melty. It won't be beautiful anymore, but it'll be tasty. And throw that under the broiler real quick. See you in a minute, baby. Oh, she ready. Grab it. There we go. If you watch this video, you guys have a degree in hood culinary arts now. That speaks for itself. That's a delicious cross section. Ooh. Welcome to Bed-Stuy, baby. This is the shit. This is so good. I hope you guys liked this recipe. If you did, please go share this on social media, on your TikToks, on your Instagrams, on your Facebooks, on your Twitter, wherever you do. Snapchats. I don't know, I'm old. Thank you so much for watching.